Anytime you have your vehicle serviced here at Chippewa Valley Mazda, you will get a what we call a Truvideo.
Truvideo process is something my technicians do. They'll take a video underneath of your car while it's up in the air while that repair is actually taking place.
You'll also get a full circle report. Looks something like this.
It offers a really unique way to show the customer exactly what's going on with their vehicle, even if they're not here at the time.
Our videos will typically look something like this. Hi, this is Kyle, tech servicing your vehicle. Then I'll show you your repair order, getting the oil change, check engine light, tire rotation taken care of here for you. I'll flip over to your full circle, walk you through whether or not your tires are in need of replacement, rotating, brake life, and general percentage of how much pad life is left. We'll cover your fluids if there are any leaks, condition of the air filters, as well as any kind of hard suspension components underneath.
Those can be sent to an email, to a text message that can be forwarded out to other people to get more advice on.
And at the end of an oil change one, I like to give you a shot of the oil actually coming out of your motor. Just that way you can see, yes, we're doing what we said.
Really makes a transparent way of showing what we're doing here.
And that will pretty much do it. At the end, we'll finish it off with your service advisor will be in touch shortly. Thank you for coming to CV Mazda. Have a great day.